So if you've been arrested in Tampa or really anywhere in the state of Florida for a crime involving domestic violence, here are 3 things that you need to know. First, when you are arrested for a crime of domestic violence, you will not have a bond until you see a judge at first appearance court. Now, a lot of people are surprised by this when they get to the jail on something like a simple misdemeanor battery. They think, why don't I have a bond? This is a misdemeanor, I should be able to bond out right away. Under Florida law, if you're arrested for an act of domestic violence, you have to see the first appearance court judge before bond can be set. Now, the reasoning behind this is it gives the judge an opportunity to review the facts of the case, possibly hear from any alleged victims, and implement any kind of conditions of pretrial release, such as a no contact order, GPS monitor, restrictions on travel, those types of things. So that's number 1. You will not have a bond on a crime of domestic violence until you see a judge at first appearance court. Number 2, when you go to first appearance court, there is a very good chance that the judge might order no contact with the alleged victim. Now, no contact means no contact. It means no direct communication in person, no phone calls, text messages, social media, no indirect contact, no passing messages along through a third party to the alleged victim. I cannot tell you how many clients I have had make their situation so much worse and so much harder by violating a no contact order and winding up back in jail with their bond revoked, unable to post bond at that point because they violated a condition of their pretrial release. And to add insult to injury, in the state of Florida, if you violate a no contact order, you can catch an additional charge for violation of a pretrial release condition. So that's number 2. Number 3, I can't tell you how many times I have heard the alleged victim doesn't want to prosecute. She wants to drop the charges, so I don't need a lawyer. The state attorney's office can and frequently does prosecute crimes of domestic violence against the wishes of the alleged victim. So just because the alleged victim is telling you they want to drop the charges, they still love you, they still want to be with you, does not mean you are free and clear, does not mean you don't need a lawyer. The state attorney's office very well might still proceed with prosecution even if the alleged victim does not want them to do so. So if you've been arrested for a crime of domestic violence in the Tampa Bay area, call 813-787-4849 for a free case consultation.